Hello everyone, today we meet again with TV 360 degrees. Today's news is that flooding. I'm Lily.
I'm Linda. Did you know that our world is experiencing severe water this day, causing many countries to face severe flooding problems? Today we have news about flooding caused by Storm Franklin. Storm Franklin occurs and kills 3 people as a result. 1.4 million people left their home due to lack of electricity.
The Met Office issued 2 weather warnings for earlier on Monday, an amber warning for wind in Northern Ireland, and a milder yellow warning for wind covering Wales, Northern Ireland, most of England and part of southwest Scotland.
On Monday evening, the UK Power Network said it had leisure of electricity 98% properties across East, Southeast, and England, but 8,500 remain without power.
Energy Minister Kay Khan said power outages were a horrible thing to happen to households and lessons would be learned for the energy network.
In Northern Ireland, heavy rain has caused severe flooding, which countries, Londonderry and Cairo, had the worst hit.
Northern Ireland Electricity said at the peak there were 10,000 homes without power during the early hours of Monday morning. That number had now fallen to around 330.
Parts of the River Severn and Western Channels coasts are on flood alert, and emergency teams have erected flood barriers to try to stop water from reaching homes, and this area is called disaster zone.
And next will be the impact of Storm Franklin on those youth in the NKC city, which Eva has already interviewed railroad users. I invite you to watch and listen.
IEC breakdown spokesman Dennis said, "Driver will be glad to see the back of Storm Franklin, but it looks like conditions on the roads will remain challenging right through the weekend, which will still start in flooding. It's important driver will take any chance so that to slow down and leave plenty of space between themselves and the vehicle in front. It's not just Songrin that they need to contend with on Sunday. In-trend rainfall become a feature making driving harder. If conditions get particularly bad again, people should consider postponing their journey. And then for those who have to drive, it's visual they keep their wits about them at all times. People are advised to check their local resident authorities for ongoing safety around travel and preparation.
However, this incident caused 3 deaths and massive damage to people's property. I hope everyone is safe from this flood situation. Thank you.